Ating Q&A time anime version. So, what's your favorite anime of all time?
Haikyuu.
Ha?
Haikyuu!
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oo nga.
Better than Blue Lock.
What's your favorite character in that anime?
Oh.
Makagilang ka na namin din.
Bokuto.
Bokuto. So, maganda naman yung character na yun. Pero, sana hindi ako pagkamalang weather forecaster, no?
What?
So, sa tingin mo, malakas
Oh,
ba
what
yung
are you talking
character na
about,
yun?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
In a 1 out of 10, gano'n mo siya i-rate kung gano'n siya kalakas?
100 out of 10 because he's your favorite and he's the
Okay.
ace.
Sino gusto mo siya yung kalaban sa ibang anime verse?
Bawal yun. Charot. Sino? I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Kahit Naruto?
Na.
Ay, may kalaban siya kay Naruto?
Na.
Gusto mo ba ng Blue Lock?
Sure.
Blue Lock. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Cut.